Right, so little update to the course. Since I put that together, there have been some changes to ManyChat and an amazing new feature. You now have the opportunity to implement a lot of the stuff you've seen in the rest of the bootcamp, but on Instagram. So one of the fastest growing social media platforms out there, also owned by Facebook. So I'm going to show you very quickly just how you can connect your Instagram account onto here and basically how to go about putting some messages in place. Okay, so let's head over to my ManyChat account and I'll show you how to get started. Now, here we are over in ManyChat, and you see here just from the dashboard. Now, the way to get Instagram connected is to go down here to Settings. And you'll see again, since we started recording the bootcamp last year, the dashboard looks a little bit different now. So you see there's different channels available. And we're going to look at Instagram. So we're going to select Instagram here. Now, my Instagram account is not connected. At the time of recording, you need to have 1,000 plus subscribers, and I'm just underneath that level. Very soon, that's going to be any number of subscribers, so you'll be able to connect straight away. Hit connect, select the account that's your Instagram account. It must be a business Instagram account, so make sure you change that in your Instagram settings, and then you will be able to link it in here. Now, let's jump over to a different account, and we're actually looking in Fraser Brooks's account here, as to how you actually implement certain messages for Instagram. And let's head into flows, and I'm going to show you how we do that. So just as we have with all the messenger type flows, we're going to start a new flow. And let's create an empty flow and just call it Insta. How creative. And you'll see here that it's started with an Instagram message. When you click on this, so if we double click on here, if we click up here, whichever way you want to do it, you'll see there's various options. So to send Facebook Messenger message or send Instagram message. So make sure that if you want to send a message on Instagram, it's an Instagram message and not a Facebook message. And when we go onto here, you can see it's exactly the same as a lot of the original ManyChat Messenger stuff. You can do text, images, custom fields like we talked about before, images, galleries, delays, that sort of thing. Notice you can't do buttons. So if you want to people to click a link, you'll need to put the actual link into the copy. Now, how do you get people into it? The way that you do this at the moment is with a keyword. So if we go in here, and if you see starting step, we'll add a trigger. We'll go to keywords and select Instagram keyword. And this is if the message is, or the message contains, or contains the whole world, or begins with, or is thumbs up. So those are your options. And let's go if the message contains Insta test, hit create. And simple as that, hit publish. So that's how we get people in with the keyword, and that's if anyone direct messages your Instagram account with whatever word you've decided you want to do, and you can have as many as these you like, they will get the response you've set up. Go back to the content that we've talked about in the messenger part of the bootcamp to understand what sort of things convert really well for network marketers. Now, the other one I'm going to show you is such a powerful feature. We've had amazing success with this. And this is the story mention reply. And you won't find this in flows. For this, you need to go to settings, Instagram, and because it's now connected, you have things like the default reply that you can do, conversation starters, which I'll go into another time, and the story mention reply, which is the really cool one. And this is going to trigger anytime anyone messages your page with from a story, they're going to get this. So basically, you would need to go in and you can edit this flow. And this is triggered from story mention replies. So put a small delay in there and just thank people, invite them to your offer, invite them to start talking to you, whatever you want to do. But that is so cool and it's so easy to set up. So remember that one is settings, Instagram, story mention reply, and then edit that flow. So there you go. Same content, different platform. Go get it.